Radar Car family, how's it going? So, a little bit of a throwback to my STI days. Any fellow STI guys out there? Or Evo guys, or 4-banger turbo guys out there? Anyway, I digress. So, after the GT350 got hit, which is just the other day, I wanted to get something to protect the car. No, not dust wipes. I'm not going to dust somebody to death. Something much better. I wanted to get a good dash cam with at least a near 360 view of the car, front and back and side to side, just in case anybody dinged the car again with their door, or hit the car, or backed into the car, etc., etc. I could have some insurance. So I was looking online at lots of different reviews. There are literally like seemingly hundreds of dash cams out there. I saw one on Matt Moran's channel, aka the King of Karate Chops. What's up, everybody? I mean, seriously, if this guy is giving a car review, you're going to want to step back 10 feet, lest you get your head chopped off.
What's up, everybody? Matt Moran here for another car review.
So anyway, I decided to get the Vantrue Pro N2 dual angle dash camera, which has 1080p in the front and 1080p in the back, in the cabin, and also you could see out the side windows as well as the rear windshield, which was very important to me. This camera has a 170 degree angle in the front and a 140 degree angle in the rear. So that's like 200. All right, firstly, I'll share some examples of why you need the Vantrue with its high-res dual cameras in 1080p. The things I'm about to show you happened already, and I just got the camera a few days ago. Okay, this guy here was backing out right in front of me, as you can see, and I had to swerve around him. It actually is, he came out a lot quicker than it even appears here in the film. This is a police officer that was flying by in traffic. That's the inside view, then immediately switched to the frontal view. I mean, many things could have happened here. There was tons of like potholes on the side of the road that could have caused him to lose control and hit me. I'm talking big potholes on that shoulder there. Okay, I just turned down a road near my home, and I was going like 25 miles an hour, and apparently this lady thought I was going faster. She jumps right out in front of me. And then she's like staring me down, as you can see in the rear view there. A little slow motion here. Not a very smart move by this lady to try to jump in front of a GT350. Okay, so why I chose a Vantrue N2 Pro. It's got 1080p in the front and the back. Not all cameras have that. I think this might be the only one that does. And you can go even higher in the front if you want with 1440p, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure it's the only camera in the market with 1080p on the front and back. It's got awesome night vision. In the rear, it has 4 IR LED lights, which will brighten up every single detail in pitch darkness. It's awesome. It's got a parking mode with motion detection, which turns the camera on when it sees something, or you can just leave it on 24/7 like I plan to. Even in my garage all night, I will have this on. It's got an impact sensor as well as an emergency lock, so you can protect footage surrounding an incident from getting written over when the camera loops over and over again. And if you have a big memory card, you don't even have to worry about that stuff anyway. All right, so let's see it in action. You can ignore the date stamps. I hadn't set them correctly in some of the parts that you're about to see here. All right, picture clarity. It's 1080p on both sides, front and back. You get crisp visuals that are as good as my Galaxy Note 5. And the Galaxy Note 5 is a really great camera. This is Galaxy Note 5 footage right here. It's a little bit more dull, a good picture quality, but you know. Here's the Vantrue again. Actually, the Vantrue goes even higher than 1080p for the front camera, but the 1080p is so good, I didn't even try the higher resolution. It's got vibrant colors. Look at those greens. You can read signs and license plates. You can actually increase and decrease the exposure levels to your liking. I mean, look at those trees. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really good color quality. Look at the details. Such a beautiful picture. Here's a shot of the inside. You can see every stitch on my GT350 seats. The Alcantara pops here slightly purplish, but they said it's to maximize the picture quality, presumably with the lower lighting inside the car. It looks phenomenal. This is in pitch blackness. The night vision with built-in IR LED lights, which you cannot see at nighttime, really light up the inside of the car. And it looks awesome. It really picks up the details in the car, and it has good coverage outside the car. You can even see the stitching on the seats at nighttime. Night vision also has an auto setting, so you can set it and forget it. And if there's one thing I like to do, Rated R Cars family, is to set and forget. Here's an outside shot at night. You can see the crisp colors. You can read signs and even read license plates at night. Nice M4 in front of me. I mean, very easy to see with the 170 degrees if something jumps out at you. Awesome quality with inclement weather. Here we are in a thunderstorm with the rain and less light. You can still see license plates clearly and everything else around you. Look at the reflections on the wet pavement, the lights inside the buildings. You can also grab still pictures if you see something interesting, and I'll show you a few of those a little bit later. Just driving along here in the city, these are actually some of my favorite videos in this thunderstorm. It's just such beautiful quality. Here we are in massive fog. You can still see clearly. Look at the nice greens. You could actually vlog with this camera if you wanted to, or at least use it to supplement vlogs. Or if you capture something interesting, you can share it, which is what I plan to do. Look at that gorgeous picture. Okay, parking modes. You guys are not gonna believe this. Look at the nice trees and clouds. Look at the nice breeze. Tell me what you see here, guys. You see no one is hitting my car the way it is meant to be. And also, by the way, this was likely over 100 degrees in my car and nothing blew up and nothing melted. Here's a still of the rear view I took. You can see the back and the sides. You can see out the windows. If I adjusted the camera a little bit more forward, you could see even more out the front windows there. Okay, showing a few stills here to appreciate the details. Look at the trees in the wall, the true colors in the epic Mustang stripes. Examples of a road sign here. Look at the reflection on my hood. Zooming by some cars, some more license plates. Keep in mind, this is like 30 miles an hour here. Look at the dark circles under this guy's eyes from moonlighting on YouTube vids. Shot of a bicycle dude here thinking of jumping out. All right, so it's got this built-in screen. It's a really nice color screen with a menu system, which is very easy to navigate. Even a baby could do this. Lots of different functions in here. You can turn off that sound. Obviously, they have that option in here. But really nice looking screen. You can see yourself when you're in the car. You can see yourself in the rear view camera mode. I'll show it to you what I'm talking about. I don't have an SD card in here right now. Come on, here you go. Whoa, check out that. I don't know if you could see these lasers here on the video, but you actually can't see these at nighttime. So it's really cool. It's showing up in the camera like this. Twilight zone. Anyway, you can see the camera, as well as when you're in the car, you can see pretty much like a, I don't know, a selfie view. Don't be taking selfies. Cool. All right, guys, I also got this Vantrue Hardwire Kit because I'm definitely going to want this puppy to be recording 24/7, even in my garage overnight. I just want to keep my eye on things. So look forward to an install and review of this in the near future. But in the meantime, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I've got nearly 500,000 views on my channel, but not a lot of people take the time to hit the thumbs up. I don't think the thumbs up really does anything functionally, but like I said before, it's like a doggy biscuit for those of us who are YouTubers. Makes us feel good. Love you guys. All right, guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. See you soon. 310. 310 degrees. Math genius. What? Love you, bros. Incisses. The things I do for you guys.